Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on vases that I got from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to be decorating them in African inspired decor. For the first vase, I'm going to be using African bone beads that I had in my stash that I got from a local beadery here. So I'm taking the dollar store vase. I'm going to be spray painting it in this really beautiful oiled rub bronze. And then I'm going to be using some black stringed beads to go around the top of the vase. I'm going to be using my black E6000 glue to glue and my hot glue gun to glue the beads to the vase. I really like the way that this vase came out, but I think if I had to do it over again, I probably would have put a set of black beads in between each of the bone beads, between the bottom and the top layers of beads. I think that would have came out really nice as well. But you could let me know what you think in the comment section. For vase number 2, I'm going to be using these recycled African paper beads. Again, I got these paper beads from Hobby Lobby, but I guess that you can get them pretty much anywhere like Amazon or look online, but I got them from Hobby Lobby, so that's why I'm sharing that information. And so I'm going to be using this really light purple spray paint to spray paint the jar, and then using my hot glue gun to glue the paper beads to the vase. So for style number 3, I'm using Kente inspired cloth that I got originally from Joann's Fabrics, as well as cowrie shells. And if you have been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love to put cowrie shells on about anything. So I took this opportunity to put cowrie shells on one of these Dollar Tree jars and mix fabric with the Dollar Tree jars, as well as using orange spray paint, so that way you can see the combinations of different things that you can do to make these Dollar Tree vases more Afrocentric. So basically what I've done here is I spray painted the glass jar orange, and I'm going to be using my hot glue gun to glue the fabric around the jar, so you can see the fabric on the outside with the contrast of the orange on the inside, and then going around the bottom of the jar where it has a little bit of a lip to apply the cowrie shells. So here is another example of a Dollar Tree jar that I made with Kente Cloth, but I used some jute twine that I had in my stash to go around the top and bottom of the jar. And you can see, here's a way to look at more rustic. So here's also another option of decorating a jar. I'd like to thank you all for watching my video, and hopefully it inspired you to make something really great today. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment and share. See you guys next time.